In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute someone on YouTube. If you've ever accidentally muted someone or if you've reconsidered and decided you want to hear from them again, you'll find this guide really helpful. The process is straightforward once you know where to look, so let's walk through it together. First, you need to head over to YouTube. You can do this on your computer through a web browser or on your phone using the YouTube app. Both ways are very similar with just a few differences in interface. Let's start with how you can do this from your computer. When you're on the YouTube homepage, glance at the top right corner of your screen. You are going to see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to select the settings option. It's usually toward the bottom of the list, so be sure to scroll down if you don't see it at first glance. Once you're inside the settings menu, look for the community option. This might take a moment as it's nestled among several other settings options, but stay with it. When you find it, go ahead and give it a click. Here, you'll see sections for Community Settings regarding permissions. Now, in the Community Settings, you'll discover a list of users you have previously hidden or muted on your channel. Scroll through these names. If it's been a while, you might have to jog your memory about who you muted and why. But once you find the person you want to unmute, simply click the X next to their name. This action will remove them from the list and effectively unmute them, allowing you to see their comments on your videos once more. If you're using the YouTube app on your phone, the process is quite similar. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner, to open your account menu. From there, select Settings, and proceed to General Settings where you can manage your blocked users. It's here that you'll scroll to find the user you want to unmute. Just like on a computer, tapping the X next to their name will do the trick. Remember, unmuting someone means you'll be able to see their new comments moving forward, but any past comments they made while being muted might not reappear. By following these steps, you'll be ready to re-engage with whoever you've unmuted, adding diversity and interaction back into your YouTube experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment or question below, and don't forget to like the video if it helped you out. Thanks for watching, and happy YouTubing!